what up? It's your boy Zeno from East Coast Collaborations, here to show you some tips and tricks. So, basically what we're doing today is we are going to take my veg closet that I have for my ones that I have in veg that are ready, just about ready to go into flower once the other one's finished, and then I have my clones up top. So, I just picked up a light at Goodwill for $7.99. It's a 4-piece light setup. It is Light Ever. I'm not sure if it's a good brand. I'm not sure if it's a $100 brand, $200 brand, $50 brand. It doesn't matter. I paid $8. So, brand new out the box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them to the top here. So, and then I'm going to increase. So, let me bring you in here and kind of show you what I'm working with. So, here's the inside, okay? So, I got a little fan going like always. Always have air circulation, got a little temperature. I got my sticky traps up. So, these are the lights, like I said, I'm going to be putting up. And this is the one I have that's hanging from the middle on this hook right here. So, what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and try to put these lights up. Basically, they're going to be going up like this. And then 2, 3, 4, right? So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and I will come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so we're back, and we have put up the lights, as you can see. Nice and mounted. And then we're going to add the one that was hanging. So I'm going to show you. So you take that and that, plug it in there. Alright, so now we have 4. So now let's go ahead and hang her. Oh, it's hanging like we had her. Like this. Then we move it around. Now that is a lit up room. Much better light for the veg closet. Clones are going to be coming down here. We have the other ones off to the side. Alright, so we put them back in. This is our Shiva. We're having a little issue with some discoloration here. She is a heavy feeder. She is a hollow stalk. I'm going to just give her a couple doses of Alaskan and recharge, and she should be out of it. She's due for watering tomorrow, I believe. This is the Shiva skunk number 1. That's a Freak OG clone that is just coming out of clone. I took it out of, it wasn't in the dome. I used just water and root hormone. And then here is the Freak OG. In my opinion, the best plant on earth. I love this plant. Always produces. 13-year-old clone. So, anyways, East Coast Collaboration, Growing Consultants. Like I said, this whole setup cost me $50, $60, tops. And that's what we do. We show you how to do it. So, eastcoastcollaboration.com.